Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today I'm standing on a 2024 Sea Ray 230 SPX. This is one of the first available Sea Ray 230s we've had in over 2 years. Love to show you this boat and take you through and kind of show you some of my favorite features on it. First thing, up here in the bow over the 210, it does give you a little bit more depth to the seats and it feels a little taller on your backrest. So up here in the front of the boat, you do feel like you're in a sturdier boat because it is a little deeper. You do have nice carpet all the way through. It's going to be a synthetic woven vinyl, so it's a nice snap in, snap out system. Here in the cockpit, you're going to have the standard twin captain's chairs. They're both bolstered to allow you to have a little bit more visibility over the windshield, or lower them and be inside the windshield and have the wind go over. We have optioned this with the bimini top to allow you to have maximum shade coverage on this boat. You have the ski locker here, the Simrad, the digital system, and my favorite feature on 2023 and 23-foot models, you'll have a nice little compartment here for your head. So we walk towards the back of the boat. You will have a built-in area for your removable cooler, some storage under each of your seats. You do have the very popular transom transformation package to allow you to have a sun's pad to face out the back or maximum shade. On board this model too is an inboard motor. So when you open it up, you will have access to your 250 Mercury inboard. Nice storage underneath the side. And on the back of the boat, you will have a nice big swim platform. This one will have your pop-up swim step, so when you're in the water, you can open this up. Gives you a couple inches of access to walk into the boat or have a nice seat. This boat is available here on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call when you have a chance.